Mary.
Wow. It's really hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Can I see you a second?
Okay. Excuse me. All right. Hi. Go for it.
Listen, I don't mean to bother you, but I just want to thank you for all studying with me, for everything you've been doing for this final year exams.
It's okay, Desmond. It's all my pleasure. I mean, there's no big deal trying to help a classmate.
Yeah, listen. I know I'm not supposed to bring this up now, but I'm from a home where we express ourselves, and I'm attracted to you, and I was hoping maybe now that we're leaving school we could have a date before we come.
Desmond, I can't give you an answer right now. I'm actually rushing up for a lecture and we're already late.
It's Saturday. I mean, come on.
I can't. Oh, don't worry. When I'll give you a date. I can't.
We're leaving school in 3 weeks.
Before the 3 weeks is over, I'll give you. We'll hang out. All right.
I'm so optimistic.
Okay.
That's what you keep saying.
Take care.
Have a nice. You're looking lovely.
Oh, same to you. Bye.
Mary? Mary Okafor, right?
Desmond Ozilike. Oh my God! What are you doing?
Oh, come here. It's so good to see you. Looking beautiful as always.
Thank you. So, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I'm still in shock. Well, my dad owns the company.
Your dad? Oh my God, I should have known that. The Ozily case. Oh my God, so your dad is my boss.
Small word. Small word. He didn't tell me you walked away. He didn't know.
I didn't know.
Well, he actually forgot his file on the breakfast table, so I brought it back with the driver.
Okay,
Is he?
Yes, he is. Should I take...
No, no protocol for me.
Okay, alright, then no problem.
I'll see you now, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Okay.
Hey, Dad.
Hello, sir. How did you?
I'm fine, Dad.
Okay, you brought the files.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. But rushing out, sorry.
It was a couple Dad, your secretary.
What about my secretary?
I went to school with her. We're classmates.
You did? I see. She's a brilliant girl, very duty conscious. She's been with me for a while.
Yes, she was something of a genius these days. Really. We used to call her PhD Mary. We studied together, and she really helped me for my final year exams.
Well, it's coincidental that she's working with me now, so you'll get to see her whenever you want.
I know it's your policy not to interfere with work and all that, but whatever you can do for her, please. She really is a nice person. Okay?
Alright, I've heard you. How has your day been?
Boring. Believe me. I'm active. I'm tired of just sitting around the house doing nothing. I can't wait for this admission to come through so I can get out.
It's alright, you just have to tarry a while. I guess in the next couple of days your admission letter will come in. I'm very positive about that. I've done all that is supposed to be done, so you just have to endure the boredom for a short while.
Well, I echo your sentiments. What you can pull off can't be pulled off, big guy, eh?
Sorry.
Alright, big guy, I need to run. My friend's waiting for me.
It's okay. Don't stay away for too long.
Okay.
Right.
Don't walk too hard.
I promise you I won't.
See you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, yeah, that's not. Are you done with your dad?
Yeah, I just went to deliver the file, that's it.
You're really looking good, you know.
Thank you. Been working out.
Yeah, suits you.
I'd like to see you again.
Wow, let's see. That'd be good, as long as it doesn't affect my duty.
Oh, come on. Just to say thank you for the old days. I really owe you.
Okay, I'll just go through my schedule and I'll tell you what date suits me.
Come on. Nobody works on weekend.
I do sometimes, you know. Alright, let's see. Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday's good. I know this great Chinese restaurant. Love it.
Alright, then that's all.
Okay.
Let me give you my card.
Yes, okay, sure.
Yes, there you go. That's my home number and that's my GSM number.
Okay, well, I'm on the labor market here. I don't have a car, so I'll text you my number.
Oh, please.
Is that good?
Okay then.
Alright.
Take care. See you on Saturday.
So beautiful, right?
Thank you.
Alright, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
That reminds me, Mama. Guess who I met at the office today?
And who was that, my daughter?
An old schoolmate of mine.
Old schoolmate?
I'm telling you. And do you know another thing, Mama? He happens to be my boss's son.
Eh? Hey, what a small world! Mary.
And another thing. He asked me out for a lunch date.
Lunch date?
Yes, ma'am.
Mary, just be careful. You know these rich men with their funny mentality.
Don't worry, Mama.
Mary, I don't want you to lose your job. You know how long you've searched for a job until God provided one for you. Please, my daughter, be careful.
Don't worry.
Please, be careful.
Don't worry, Mama.
I know, my daughter.
Hey. I got something for you from the office.
And what is that?
Wait. It's supposed to be a surprise. Wait.
I can't wait to see.
I didn't know you were this friendly, really.
Why?
I don't know, those days in school you were struck me as being stuck up. You know, something like an introvert.
Well, to casual friends like you, yeah. But to my girls, man, I was the best thing that ever happened to them.
Those were good old days, you know?
Yeah, I really enjoyed them.
So, are we going to do this again? Because I'm having a good time.
Do you not know that I work? You want me to lose my job?
No. Come on. The man that owns the business is my father. I can always manipulate him.
Really? You go ahead then.
So is that a yes?
Maybe not. Maybe yes.
Alright. Let's take it one day at a time.
Alright.
You know, Dad, Mary was something of a genius when we were in school. She was so brilliant.
Yes, she must be, because even as a secretary, she's a very conscientious worker. She's very diligent.
You know what she reminds me of?
No.
Mom. You know, they share so much in common. They share the same diligence at getting things properly done. They share the same beauty, the same intense intelligence. It's awesome.
You know, your mother was a very virtuous woman. She was very companionable. I pray that God grants her soul eternal rest.
Amen. I miss you every day, Dad, you know?
Yes, I miss your mother every day that I live. And that's why I said, to keep the memory of our association alive, I'm never ever likely to marry again. Well, we must all go someday. That's the appointment we have with destiny. Yeah. Yes. Good. Let me sit out. I'll be back. I won't be long.
Yeah, but the bigger your beer.
Yes, yes.
Good day, madam.
Good day, young man. How may I help you?
Oh, well, I'm really sorry to bother you. I was wondering if this is Mary Okafor's residence?
Yes. I'm her mother. Oh. I hope there's no problem.
No problem at all. We have a date for this afternoon, so I came to get her. Is she at home?
Yes. Let me call her for you.
Thank you, madam.
Mary! Angel!
Yes, Mama. Desmond. Desmond, hi.
Hello, sweetheart. You look stunning.
Thank you. Mama.
Yes, my dear.
This is my friend Desmond. My boss's son, the one I was telling you about.
Okay.
Nice to meet you,
son,
madam.
how are you?
I'm fine, man.
How is your father?
Very well, thank you.
Mary.
Yes, Mama.
Take him inside and get him something to drink.
Oh, no, don't bother. Okay, we're actually on our way out, and I've had something to drink before coming here.
Okay. Okay. Go and get your bag.
Okay. Let me go and get my bag.
Do you mind? I could help you with that, madam, if that's okay.
Oh, no, my dear. Don't bother. It's part of the physical exercise.
Yeah, ready.
You're ready.
Mama, first.
Desmond, Mary, just to be
No, no, she's in good hands, man.
You're
We know
welcome.
each other for years.
You're welcome.
You look stunning.
Thank you. How was it? Was it difficult for you?
Yeah. Allah, I'm swinging.
Why are you staring at me like that?
I don't know. You kind of remind me of my mother.
Really?
Yeah.
Right.
I want to show you something.
No, the arrangement is not acceptable to me. I'll be going to Abuja on Wednesday from Lagos. That's a journey of about 9 hours, and you know I don't fly, I'm going by road. Look, don't try to, I will not go by air, I'm going by road. So we'll leave it for Sunday after. Alright, I'll get back to you.
Hi, Dad.
Hello, son.
Good day, sir.
See who the cat dragged in, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. You didn't tell me that you were coming here, did you?
No. Actually, I ran into Desmond and he decided to invite me over.
Yeah, that's what happened there.
It's alright. Make yourself comfortable. When there's something to drink, we'll just take a stroll around back.
Okay.
It's alright, man. Make yourself comfortable.
Careful, big guy.
Right.
Sit down. Why are you so worked up?
No, I'm okay.
Why did you have to tell him we ran into me?
I was short of words. I didn't know what to say.
Do you want something to drink?
No. Yes.
You want something strong, alcoholic?
No, I'm fine. Something soft would go.
It's the maid's day off, so I have to get it myself. Okay.
Why did you bring that girl to this house?
Oh, Dad, she's just a friend of mine. I mean, we went to school together.
I don't like the idea. I don't encourage those who work with me to get too close to me. And the reason is very simple. The white man says familiarity breeds contempt. She gets used to this place, she begins to take liberties. First, it will affect her diligence to duty, and then progressively she'll begin to insult me. I want to get against all that.
Dad, I don't think she's that kind of person. She's immaculately brought up and she will not go out of her way to disrespect anybody.
You see, you will not appreciate what I am telling you. When you take over from me and begin to run my business, you'll realize what I am saying now. I am successful today because I know where to draw the line, and I want you to do the same. You can take it whatever you like, but here, no.
Are you not blowing this thing a little out of proportion, Dad?
No, I don't think I am. I'm only trying to ensure that I don't mix business with pleasure, and I do not lose my self-respect. I want you to do the same.
Okay, Dad.
Right. Yes, sir. What?
She went out with your son about an hour ago.
All right, you can go now.
Yes, sir.
Why would he sack you from the office? I'm sure you did nothing to him. Mary.
Mama, I don't know what I would have done to deserve this kind of sack. I don't know. I know I was very diligent in carrying out all my duties. I can't understand this. I don't know.
I think you have to go and see him and know his reasons. Okay? You have to do that.
Good day, Mom.
Good day.
What's wrong? Why is she so cold? I stopped by the office to see you. They said you had gone home. Isn't it a little too early? What is this? What is this? It's termination letter. And it's got my dad's signature on it. Oh. Listen, I'm really sorry. Why would he sack you? Did you do something wrong? Listen, I know whatever is the reason, it had nothing to do with anything obnoxious towards you. He kept talking about how brilliant and diligent you were at work, and now this. Why don't you let me talk to him? Let me know the logical reason behind this. In any case, if he doesn't take you back out, I know I'll get you another job. With your qualification, with my contact, that will not be a problem. Okay? Hey, don't take it so hard, no? It's not the end of the world. Come on. Is that why your mom was called to me? It's not my fault. But that is not being reasonable, Dad. What did that innocent girl do to deserve a sack?
I told you before, I don't mix business with pleasure. Besides, whatever happens to the office, I like to restrict to the office. Don't make it part of your business, son.
But Dad, listen, it's not enough to sack that girl. Dad, can we discuss this? Dad! Dad! You know, when I look at you, I believe there's nothing on earth as beautiful as what we share.
The greatest thing that can ever happen is to share your heart and soul with the one you love.
I want you to be rest assured that what we feel for each other is unique. And there's nothing that will stop it as long as we live.
Your words are the sweetest song I've heard. I don't know how much I can show you how much you mean to me.
More than enough. Thanks to us. To us.
To us.
Together forever.
Together forever.
Mary, you have remained like this since yesterday. What is bothering you, my angel?
Mama, I'm okay. There's nothing wrong with me, I'm fine.
Are you sure? Because I cannot stand the sight of you looking this disheartened. Please, my daughter, cheer up for me. You know you are all that I have in the world since we lost your father.
Mama, I'm okay.
Now, if you are fine and okay, cheer up for me. That's my angel. Who is that?
It's me, Desmond, man.
I'm sure you'll be happier now Desmond is here. Desmond! You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Have it.
Thank you.
Have it.
Thank you.
I'm glad to see you, my son. I know you'll cheer up now. She has been unhappy since yesterday. May you please talk to her?
Yes, ma'am, no problem. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Listen, I know you're deeply wounded by what my father said. Who wouldn't be? But look at it this way. I think he's ignorant. He doesn't understand how much we love each other. Okay? Forgive him for the sake of our love. Remember, it's only true love that stands the test of time. Okay?
Okay.
I love you and you love me, that's what matters.
Yeah.
Come on, stop with the straight face. Angels are supposed to smile all the time. What's wrong with this angel? Why this angel not smile? Have you had something to eat? No? Do you know how beautiful you are, Sunshine?
Oh, stop flattering me.
I'm not. You know, the first time I met you, I thought I was attracted to you because you were beautiful. Then when I got closer, I found out that you're not only beautiful from the outside, you're even more beautiful from the inside. You're the purest, truest gift of God in my life.
Oh, come on, Des. Please.
I mean it. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want you to be the mother of my kids. This is a symbol of our love together. Together forever. If you say yes.
Yes.
I love you, Sunshine.
I love you too, Des.
Yeah. A beautiful girl.
Son, you see, you occupy a privileged position in the society, being the son of a senator of the Federal Republic. That means a lot. At all times, you must bother about the reputation of this family. It has taken me years to build it, and I want to preserve it. That means you must, at all times, be obsessively aware of the company you keep. If you mix with people of your class, we preserve that reputation. If you hobnob with people below your class, you not only question that reputation, but you impugn my personal integrity. That can queer my political chances, and I intend at the end of this to contest for the presidency by going higher. So I'd like to warn you, don't mix with people whose company is likely to put a question mark on your own reputation as my son. Because of that, I'd like you to discontinue your involvement with Mary. Let's keep the name of this family. Let's preserve our reputation. I hope you'll understand this.
You know, Dad, I've always been appreciative of who you are, what you represent this country in my life. But Mary is a unique woman. If you look beyond all these superficial things, I think she's the most unique woman I've met since Mom. And I thought the primary concern here should be who impacts a positive influence in my life as opposed to class or status or all these superficial things. It holds absolutely no consequence here. I'm happy when I'm with her.
You see, you cannot understand. If you any other girl, I would not hesitate to sanction the association and give you my blessing. But Mary, no. No, not Mary.
Oh, okay. Dad, we've had this conversation before. And I asked you a question then. But we're having this conversation now, and I want to ask you precisely the same question. What do you hold against Mary besides class and status? Give me one potent reason why I should not marry her. And I'll discontinue.
You see, talking as your father, I don't want you to continue your relationship with Mary. As I said, if you show me any other girl, I will give you my blessing. But if it must be Mary, then don't count on me.
Dad, you can't even give me a reason. You placed me in a precarious position because even as we speak now, I've proposed to her already. I want your blessing, Dad.
You've proposed to Mary without letting me know? And now you solicit my blessing? No. You don't sue for paternal endorsement after you had bungled. No, I don't think I'll give you my blessing, son. Certainly not.
You know, Dad, it's always been my philosophy that if I'm granted 10 lifetimes by God, I'll keep choosing you as my father.
Thank you.
We've not come to a crossroad under any topic under the sun. And now you place me in this most disagreeable position and you leave me no choice. I'm an adult, Dad. With a well-trained mind, thanks to you, I can make my own decisions. I'm going to go ahead and marry her, irrespective of whatever circumstance she placed me. I'm sorry. I want you to think carefully about this. Okay, Dad?
All right. I've heard you, son.
Excuse me.
Doctor, please, what is the situation? What's the problem?
Chief, I'm afraid there's a little problem here.
What is it?
After carrying out a test, I discovered his kidneys are infected.
What?
Yes,
His kidneys?
Yes, Chief, he has a kidney failure. Eventually, there will be a kidney transplant. But before then, we have to place him on dialysis. We have to look for a matching donor, and that must be done as fast as possible, Chief, before the situation gets out of hand.
Wait. Kidney failure? All right. I'll see you in the office.
All right, Chief.
Who be that? Hey, authentic sis. Hey.
How are you?
I don't balance about.
It's there's my mom.
You never hear.
What is it?
He don't reach there 1 week now.
Yes, I know it's been a week since I saw him last. What's the matter?
Small organ, well. Oh.
No, well. What could be wrong with him?
What they do, I mean, no. But anything where they do am for now, as I dey talk to you, so in the hospital.
What? Hospital? What hospital is this? Oh, come on, out with it. What hospital is this?
St. Patrick's Hospital. Now you waiting here for
St. Patrick.
I'll
see you later. Out to you, let me rush.
Okay, now, you got me. Alright. Big man, big wahala.
Sorry, may I know who you are?
Oh, well, I'm Desmond's fiancé.
His fiancé.
Yes.
Anyway, as you can see, he needs a total rest. So if you don't mind, can you excuse me?
Thank you. Doctor, what could be wrong with him?
My dear, his kidneys are infected and he needs to undergo a quick kidney transplant if he must live.
Doctor, please, I don't want him to die. What are we going to do, please?
He's not going to die. But the only option we have now is to get an accurate kidney donor. Because we carried out the test on his father's kidney and it's not matching. So we need the right kidney for him before his case gets out of hand.
Oh, God. Doctor, please, can you run a test on my kidney and see if it is okay?
Why not? If you want to volunteer, why not?
Please, I want to do it.
All right.
To fear! God forbid! My daughter cannot lose her kidney for a man. Mary, do you realize the implication of what you are trying to do? Don't you know you can also lose your own life?
Hell. Mama, I will not lose my life. By the grace of God. At least the doctor has confirmed it. He says that it's safe for me to do the kidney transplant. Besides, you have to start realizing that this one is part of me. I'd rather die than...
Shut up! Mary, ma'am, how can you wish yourself that? Now listen, you cannot go for that kidney transplant or whatever they call it.
Mama, I'd rather die than to live to see my future crumble. And if you don't... Let me show! Let me show!
Okay.
Chief, the news is not too pleasant. The test you carried out on your kidney did not match with that of your son.
Good.
But not to worry, there's a good news too. A lady walked into the hospital and presented herself as a relation of yours. She volunteered her own kidney. We carried out a test and it was excellent.
I see. So where is she now?
Oh, Chief. Here she is. Go this way. She's got sense, Chief.
Mama, why are you crying? Mama, what is it now? Mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying. Listen, let me tell you something. God has given Desmond and I love, which I know is the greatest gift anybody can wish for. He will never fail us.
Why won't I cry? Mary, why do you wish to leave me all alone in this world? Where have I wronged you? You are all that I have in this world. Leaving me all alone.
Stop crying, please. I have to go and do what I have to do. Don't worry, I'll come back. Please. Let me go. I have to go.
Leave me alone. You are leaving me. Mary. Jay. God, please save my daughter for me.
Mary, you're indeed a godsend. Endeavor to contact me once you get there. And I'm very sure Dr. Smith will handle the case perfectly well.
Alright, doctor.
Just take care of yourself.
Thank you, doctor.
I should be on my way, sir.
Thank you. I call this a wonderful reunion because when you were leaving for the States for the operation, I'll be honest with you, I never knew we would ever sit down this way again. So I thank God for everything. Mary, I'm particularly grateful to you for the sacrifice you made to ensure that my son lives. I thank God especially for two reasons. One, that the operation was successful, and secondly, that both of you came back in one piece. What would we have done without you? I don't know. Come. Honestly, I don't know how best to express my appreciation for what you did. But for you, who knows, my son would probably have been joined to his forefathers. Let me show a little appreciation. Here, take this. Go on, take it. Come on.
Good.
Whatever you wish to buy with it, please use it. A car, parcel of land, a house.
I'm sorry, sir. This is 5 million naira here. No, I'm sorry. I can't accept it.
Why?
Sir, it is the will of God that this operation was successful. I didn't do this because of money. I did it because of the love I have for your son. So please, sir, I can't accept this money. Please.
Listen, babe, my dad just wants to show his appreciation, okay? It's no big deal. We've done much more for people we barely know.
Desmond, I love you. I didn't do this because of the money I'll get from your dad. No. With all due respect, sir, I can't take this money. I'm sorry, I can't take this money, please.
Listen, babe, you and your mom need this money. It will make life better for you.
No, we don't need the money. Please.
I really appreciate everything, okay? Thank you so much.
It's alright, just drop it here.
Yeah, still coming back. So,
My children, this month, I don't want this love that you share to die. I don't want it. Mary here is my daughter. She's all I have in this world since I lost her father. May his soul rest in peace. Desmond, I know how much my daughter loves you. And I would want you to reciprocate. Please, none of you should hurt each other.
And we can rest easy on that fact. I'm not going to hurt her. I mean, hurting her is like hurting my own heart. If there's anything like my missing rib and a soulmate, I found it in your daughter. I will not hurt her.
I've heard you.
Don't worry, Mama. He won't hurt me. And I won't hurt him either.
I've heard you all, my children. Your word is as pure as strong. Please, don't forget these promises. Don't. You're welcome, my son.
Lovely.
Hey, Dad.
Hello, son.
Hi. How's your day?
Fine. And yours?
My mind was splendid.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello. It's all right.
Come sit down. I'm sure he's tired. It's had a long day. So it looks like that when he's tired. Why are you sitting so far? Come in. Dad, what? So what would you like to drink?
What do you have?
Don't ask a man that kind of question. No, I'm sure we have maybe juices and malt and all that kind of stuff.
It's okay. Any of them would go.
Okay, let me check. Okay. I'll see you. Oh, let me get this to Dad. I'm sure he's looking for it. Dad, you wanted to see me?
Yeah, sit down. Son, it's been 6 months now since you came back from the States, and I notice you're working feverishly hard to establish some relationship again, Mary. I don't think it's worth it. You see, she's not in your class. She's from a very poor background, and I have examined her circumstances. She really does not qualify to even be in your company.
But Dad, I really don't believe you're talking like this, not after all she's been through.
Yes, I am saying it because I've examined the entire situation. I offered her a lot of money to give you a break. She wouldn't accept it. That's to show you that I appreciate what she did for you, but she wouldn't take the money, and but I insist. It will not work.
Dad, it doesn't work that way. Listen, there's no fortune that can equal the kind of sacrifice she made for me. I can't abandon her now.
I agree that she sacrificed for you, but you see, what you don't understand is that she has a program. She sacrificed for you so she could get to you and pave her way to the family fortune. I mean, women have a way of doing this. They attach themselves to a man with plenty of prospects so they can reach out and grab the family tail. And that's precisely what she has tried to do. And because I know that, I've said, no, let's not allow it to happen to us.
Dad, I'm afraid I don't agree with you. Not at all. Come on. I've heard you, but you've really not given me any logical reason as to why I should leave her. None. I can't abandon her, not now.
You know, son, I am sitting down here and looking at the future. You can't understand what I am saying. No, you can't. You don't have the capability to. Not at this age, but we want to get against challenges of the future. Give it a thought, what we just discussed. Think about it and tell me your reaction. We'll talk about it again.
Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm afraid I'm running late now. I want to get into town to get some things.
It's alright.
You need anything?
And my favorite brand, that's all.
Des, you've been on low all day. What's going on? What's wrong?
It's nothing, sunshine. Just personal stuff.
Come on, talk to me. I know when something's bothering you. We've been together for God knows how long. I know when something's eating you up, so come on, tell me.
It's my dad. We had a really nasty argument the other day and it's not like him.
An argument? I hope it's not that serious.
I've never seen him like that, baby. Never.
It's okay. Alright? Come on, wear a smile on that face. Smile for me, smile for me.
Come on. Yes,
that's right.
You know, I wonder what life would be like without you.
We're made for each other.
Thank you for always being there, baby.
You're welcome.
Let me grab a little sleep. I waited for you all day. You didn't show up, right?
Desmond, I beg you in the name of God, leave me alone. Okay? Leave me alone. Go to your rich father. I know I'm a nobody. Please, let me be.
My father said this to you. I don't know why you take things he says so seriously. Come on. It's about you and I. You must forgive my father. I think he's largely ignorant as regards how we feel about each other. Where's the love we feel for each other? What happened to the promise? Together forever, you remember? Come on. Sunshine, please.
I love you, Dad. I'm coming, okay?
Bye.
How do you expect me to be happy when I know you leave me for so long?
Not for too long. I'll email you every night. I'll send you postcard and write to you every other week. And I'll call you every day. Be happy for me, baby. It's Harvard. You know I've always wanted to go.
It's not like I'm not happy for you, but it's just that I can't bear the fact that I'm going to have to miss you for years. It's years.
It's not for years. I'll be back every other holiday. Even if it's a week, I'll be back. Besides, it's not about being physically apart. It's about two spirits, two minds bonded together forever.
Promise me you're going to be there for me, always.
I promise you, sunshine. As long as there's breath in me, there'll be no me without you.
Son, I've always spoken to you like a son, a friend, a brother. Today I will talk with you one-on-one, as one man to another man. Pour yourself some wine, son. You see, there is something I've kept away from you all this while, but I think the time has come to make a clean break of it. When your mother died, I made up my mind that I would never marry again. By implication, it meant I would never look any other woman in the face, because no woman qualifies to hold a candle to your mother, and I mean every word of that. I maintained that resolve for a very long time, fencing off all the overtures that women were making to me. In one of my business transactions, I met Mary. Mary was there in attendance. At the end of the meeting, she met me and said she was impressed by how I conducted myself in the meeting and would wish she could work with me for some pay that was better than she was getting. She sounded intelligent, and I thought she could be an asset if I put her in my office. So I engaged her as my personal secretary, and I did not regret it. She's conscientious, she's diligent, she's punctual, and she offers good advice. I began to notice that I was beginning to take an interest in her beyond her official responsibilities. I did not like it. But it was mutual. She admired me a lot, and I reciprocated. I tried to fight it. The spirit was there, willing to put up that fight. The flesh was weak and could not back up the spirit. Then one thing led to another. She got close to me. I got close to her. We started going out on lunch dates, dinner dates. Progressively, we started dating. Then we started an affair. I was having an affair with Mary. It lasted for a while before I managed to fight it off. Then you came in. Yes, like father, like son. The same qualities you saw in Mary, which like you observed in one of our conversations your mother had, were the same qualities I saw in her. You were taken in by all that. And I noticed a decided tilt towards her. I did not want to encourage that. I thought I should step in. In our culture, it is taboo for a man and his son to enjoy sexual favors from the same woman. I was already there. It was your turn now to also go and take a dip. I didn't think I liked it. I couldn't fight it, but all I could do was try to discourage you. You've asked me several times what I hold against Mary. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And all that stuff about class distinction was what it was, crap. Nothing. I just did not want you to continue from where I stopped. Son, every other thing is history. This is the fact. The undiluted fact. Yes, Mom.
I'm here already, Dad.
Come on, we're late.
Okay. Flight is in 2 hours. You have time.
That's what it looks like. We're going to have to go. Let's go.
I'm leaving with this phone.
All these sleepless nights of tears will not bring Desmond back from abroad. I think you should move on with your life. In a relationship, what matters most is not sight, but mind. Please, my daughter. Please.
Mama. Mama, here. This is a letter Desmond sent to me.
Desmond?
Yes, Mama, and some money, some dollars.
Dollars?
Yes,
hey,
let me read this.
Dollars.
Dear Mary, how is life with you and my mother-in-law? As for me, the strong bond of love we share has kept me for the past 3 months that I left the country.
Yeah.
I hope we will never forget the promise we made to each other and the love we share despite the distance between us. Inclusive is in the parcel is $1,000 US.
Everywhere.
Use $600 for yourself and get something for Mama with the balance.
Yeah.
I would always love you, my sunshine. With love, Desmond. Oh, Mama.
God, I thank you.
Take
for leading him safely.
Bless it.
God, I thank you. May God fill the pulse of Desmond in 100-fold. I thank you, Lord. Lord, sanctify this morning. In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen.
Mary!
Longest time.
Look at you, baby.
I thank God though. I mean, it's Desmond. He's been showering me with gifts, with money. I mean, I don't know. I'm so grateful to him.
That you, big girl.
So what are you up to now?
I'm going to Matthew's house.
Is it not about time you made up your mind on whom and when to settle down? I remember the other week you told me it was John. 2 weeks before last week you told me it was Philip. And now it's Matthew. Go sick. Take it easy on this man now.
Holy Mary, you make me laugh. You see this man? I use them, I play them the way I like.
Really? It's not good, Joey. It's not a good thing, I'm telling you.
Hey.
It's not a good thing.
Hello? Hello, young lady? Oh no, not you. Missy. My name is Clement Ojukwu. You know, okay. Do you mind if I know your name?
Sir, I'm sorry. I don't give my name out to strangers.
Oh, come on. I was just passing by and said to park and talk to you.
Well, thank you, sir. As you can see, I'm engaged. I'm married.
It's all right. Have a nice day, young lady.
Okay, then. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Why did you tell him that?
Why would I tell him? Tell him what?
Must you tell every Peter and Paul that you're engaged to Desmond?
Of course! I'm engaged to Desmond, for God's sake.
Mary, listen. You are my very good friend. And I will not deceive you. You see all these men? They are not worth trusting. They are so deceitful. If you continue this way, you might lose your good opportunities. After all, it's over 2 years he's traveled and...
Please, Constance, I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear, okay? Please,
okay.
Save your comments, save your advice to somebody.
Accepted.
What is that?
After all, it's not my business.
It shouldn't be.
Okay.
My love, I received your last letter and I want to thank you for the clothes and jewelries you sent to me and Mama. We are all fine here in Nigeria. Mama is also sending her regards to you and she appreciates all your gifts. My love, I want to assure you that my love for you is growing by the passing of each day, despite the distance. I hope your love for me is still as strong as ever. And I long forward to the day when you'll come back to me to wipe this loneliness from my heart. Remember to be serious with your studies. Yours, Mary.
My son here with me saw a very delightful fruit in your house. He is so delighted that he wants to pluck the fruit. He has therefore asked me to accompany him to your house, and here we are. Please accept us with this little thing as we introduce our demand. My son wants the hands of your daughter in marriage. Could you please help us?
Wazico.
My dear.
Your mission is understood.
Thank you.
Young man, please, I would like to know more about you. What is your name? Where do you come from? And what do you do for a living?
My name is Kevin Okoro. I work with Airline Communication as a marketing consultant. I'm from Umuagu, Osu local government in Okoro State.
Have you met my daughter before now?
Not really, but I've seen her a couple of times and I've also made some necessary inquiries about her. All put together made me believe that she's the right woman for me.
Well, in this case, I have to call my daughter. She only can decide on this matter. You're welcome. Mary!
Mama! Yes, Mama. Good afternoon, sir.
My dear, you're welcome. Yeah.
Mama, I called you.
Yes, my dear. Mary.
Yes, ma'am.
This young man here introduced himself as Kevin Okoro.
Okay.
He is from Osun local government area. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
In Okere State. And he has come to ask for your hand in marriage.
Mama, is that why you called me?
Yes, my daughter.
Well, Saz, I'm sorry. As you can see, I'm engaged to someone my heart desires. So, if you will excuse me. Mama, I'm going inside.
Mazogoro.
My dear.
She's my daughter.
Yes, of course.
I know how to talk to her.
Thank you.
Young man, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Mary! 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 Listen, this house will not continue if you insist on waiting miserably for a man you cannot predict his mind over there. Mary, for God's sake, this is the second year he left to where you don't know. All in the name of studying. Mary, do you think you are getting any younger? This is not the first, not the second, but the third suitor that has come to ask for your hand in marriage. And you are here behaving stupidly. What has come over you, Mary?
Mama, no matter how long it takes, I'll wait for Desmond. No matter how long it takes, I'll wait for Desmond. He is the only one my heart desires. Huh? I'd rather die than settle with another.
Mary! Mary, you will not be with this house, Mary!
I don't understand it. I never planned it. I never thought it could be.
What could be wrong with Desmond? Because if really everything was okay, then why hasn't he written to me for over a year now? God. Desmond, where are you? Where are you, Desmond?
Mary. Mary?
Oh, Constance!
Hi.
What? How are you?
Fine. What's wrong with you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just going through some stress.
You've lied again, Mary. I know it's about this month. It's high time you forgot about this guy and forge ahead in life. You're not getting any younger. Very soon now, men will start running away from you.
Constance, please. Please, I beg you. Don't ever talk to me about Desmond again, okay? And I really appreciate it if you don't talk about this issue anymore.
Anyway, if you say so. What's up, Mama?
She's gone out.
My wedding with Tony will be coming up next month, and I would like you to be my chief bridesmaid. That's the wedding ivy for you.
You're joking.
But it's true.
Oh my God.
Tony and
Constance. Oh, I'm happy for you, God.
Thank you.
Constance, my God, you're so lucky.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Oh, look, we're going out. This calls for a big celebration.
Yes, that's right. Let me go and change. Okay, let's go inside. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Good news.
It is. Okay.
This is going to 2 years now since Desmond stopped contacting me. What could be wrong? Not even his telephone number is going and he has refused to reply my letters. Has he found another woman and abandoned me? Or could he be in trouble? Hey God. Too many questions remained unanswered. But I trust my Desmond. He can't abandon me. No, not my Desmond. Never.
Mary, can you see what you are doing to yourself? Can you imagine the emotional trauma you are subjecting to yourself? Can't you forget Desmond, since he has forgotten you?
No, Mama. No. Desmond and I are made for each other. Therefore, he cannot forget me. Mama, I have a strong feeling that there's something wrong somewhere. That's why he has not written, nor called. Something's wrong somewhere, Mama.
My daughter, whatever it is, what I want you to do now is come to bed. Can't you see it is late? Must you continue like this every night? My angel. My angel. Never. Get up. Let's go to bed.
Understand it. I never planned it. I never thought it could be. True love would come to me. Now that I found it, I'll never lose it. Nothing compares to the love I found. Questions in my mind, but I feel.
Freshen up, please.
Remember to take your drugs.
Okay.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
What's with the necklace?
I need to freshen up a bit.
I understand. Psychologically, you need to get your balance, okay?
At least doctor has confirmed that I'm okay.
Oh, at least thank God nothing serious happened.
Thank you so much for bringing me to the hospital.
No. I should be the one apologizing. It was my fault in the first place.
Thank you.
Shall we?
Yes.
Yep. Ladies first. Good evening.
He almost knocked me down with his car.
Eh?
And rushed me to the hospital.
And what are you doing here?
Mama,
What are you doing here?
Mama, calm down. Everything is okay now. If everything was wrong, will I bring him here? Can't you see me? I'm okay. The doctor confirmed that I'm okay. I just had a mild shock. That's all. It's okay.
Daniel, meet my beloved mother.
Mary, I hope to see you some other time.
No problem.
Good
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's okay now.
Mary, don't lie to me.
Mama, can't you see? If something was wrong with me, will I be standing here talking to you? Calm down. You're always panicking.
Sit down, my dear.
So how have you been? Yes, who's there? Come in.
It's me, Daniel.
Oh, come in.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi.
Hello, Mary. How have you been?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm alright.
Okay, just sit down.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, I wasn't hoping to see you again after the last time.
Yeah, but you know, paths keep crossing. Besides, I've been really thinking of you, so let me just drop by. You know, actually, I was on my way to grab some lunch, and I thought it might make more sense if it was a table for two. So I decided to stop by, pick you up, and maybe have some lunch. At least start by apologizing for the last time.
It's okay, Daniel. I'm fine. The offer, it's really nice, but I don't feel like going out. As a matter of fact, I don't feel like hanging out at all.
Oh, come on, knock it off. You're not a rock. Neither are you an island. I mean, nobody really is. Everybody needs company at one time or the other. Alright? You don't have to turn down the offer. I really want to make it up to you.
I'm sorry, Daniel. I don't want to go out.
Shit. You know, this is crazy. It's the first time I'm asking you for something and you're already rejecting.
Okay, fine. So where do you want to take me out?
No, it's where you want to go to. It's all your own choice. Make the decision. Whatever you decide, pleasure is mine. Serious.
Okay. Just give me a few minutes and I'll go and change.
Oh yeah, even though you look hot like this.
No, go and change.
Let me leave the rest to my imagination.
Alright. See ya. I'm coming.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
You know, son, you made me immensely proud. Going to study abroad and coming home with flying colors, first class. It doesn't come easy.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Dad.
Yes. And I'm going to give you a big surprise for that. I will.
Dad, what about me? Don't I deserve anything for a second class result?
Now that you have reminded me, okay, the surprise will be for both of you. You see, this is a small world. Can you believe it? If I'm a very successful person today, your father contributed a lot to my success. I know you're hearing this for the very first time. I never liked politics, no, but your father talked me into politics. So let me just say that your father assisted God in guaranteeing my success in life, because after I got into politics, everything changed. In order to ensure that we kept this relationship on, we decided that both of you were going to get married if you grew up. We took this decision when you were still toddlers and fighting most of the time. You didn't even know it. Well, not long after, your father died. Then he went abroad to read. He too followed soon after, and look at it. Today we're all here again. And what is more, you are his wife. I am quite sure that it's the spirit of your dead father that is arranging all this. I mean, how else can you explain the situation? So I'll make sure you have a very successful wedding. I'll make it as big as can be. Because I know that your father's spirit will be there. He'll be part of it. We may not be seeing him, but he'll be seeing us. May God bless his soul.
Amen.
The wedding will be successful.
Amen.
Why don't we toast to the success of that wedding? Come on.
Yes, big guy. To the best father in the world.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Cheers. You know, Dad, we've also made up our mind that we're going back to America after this.
To America? Why?
I was going to have a honeymoon there, Dad.
I see. You want to have your honeymoon in America?
Well, we'll get to America first, then the Cayman Islands.
That's a big challenge for me. All right. I will guarantee both of you an all expenses paid trip for you.
Yes, sir. That's what I want to hear. That is what another toast to that, Dad. Another toast to that. All right?
Mary! Where is this girl? Mary!
Constance!
You can't believe what I just saw this afternoon.
What did you say?
I saw Desmond and a girl. They came to shop on wedding items in my shop this afternoon.
You saw who?
I saw Desmond. I saw him with my
Wait, Constance. Are you joking or what? You saw Desmond, my own Desmond or somebody else's Desmond?
I saw Desmond with my 2 eyes, flesh and blood.
Wait, Constance. You saw Desmond with a girl shopping for wedding items in your shop?
Do I have to sing this as a song before you understand?
Wait. Wait. Constance, you saw my Desmond. You saw my Desmond.
You know what? Why don't you let me check with Jack, okay? And once we come tomorrow, Well, hang on a minute, my wife.
Princess, can you hurry, please? We're running late for crying out loud.
Desmond.
Mary?
Hi. Darling, who is she?
Mary, I want you to meet my fiancée, Princess Mary, my ex-girlfriend. Mary! Mary! Princess, look after him. Let me help you.
It's okay, Mary, eh? Stop crying. Just wipe your tears away, eh? It's okay. Eh? It's not the end of the world. You hear?
How could Desmond do this to me?
You remember when I was telling you this thing, you wouldn't listen. Eh? Now see where you've landed to. Put yourself together, forget about him, okay? Okay? Eh? Stop crying, eh? Hmm? Stop crying, eh? It's okay, eh?
Hello, Mary.
Daniel.
How have you been?
Hi,
Long time no see. How's everything? Oh, all right. No, I'm okay. How's your mom? Okay. You know, sometimes I wish things had worked out differently between us. But
It's okay, Daniel. It's alright.
something I'd like you to have.
Are you serious?
My wedding card.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thanks. It's coming up sometime next month.
I wish you the best of luck. I'll try and come.
And I wish you the same thing too. I hope you find happiness too.
Alright then, thank you.
Can I at least drop you off? You don't mind?
Alright.
Get it.
If you would have listened, my child.
Mama, how would I have known that he would pay me back for all the things I've done for him in wickedness? Mama, how would I have known that he's been lying to me all this while, deceiving me? How would I have known?
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. I warned you. Stop crying. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. I warned you. It's okay. Stop crying.
This could be wrong with him?
My dear, his kidneys are infected and he needs to undergo a quick kidney transplant if he must live.
Doctor, please, I don't want him to die. What are we going to do, please?
He's not going to die. But the only option we have now is to get an accurate kidney donor. Because we carried out the test on his father's kidney and it's not matching. So we need the right kidney for him before his case gets out of hand.
Oh God. Doctor, please, can you run a test on my kidney and see if it is okay?
Why not? If you want to volunteer, why not?
Please, I want to do it.
Alright.
I don't understand it. I never planned it. I never thought it could be.
Mary, I am here so that we can discuss about your life.
What is it about my future you want to talk about, Mama? What is it about my future you want to discuss now?
Hey, Mary, why are you doing this to me? Why are you tormenting your life? How can you be waiting for a man whom you don't know his whereabouts? Now, how long has he stopped writing you or calling you on phone? Is it when you are getting to my age that you realize that this boy is deceiving you?
Mama, please don't go there. He's not deceiving me. He is not deceiving me. I know he'll come back to me. My spirit tells me so. He will come back, Mama.
Mary! Mary! Heaven bear me witness. I will not be held responsible if you stupidly ruin your future. Mary, how can you be waiting hopelessly for a man who abandoned you all these years? Why can't you accept Daniel's proposal? This is a man who has been there for us all these years, Mary. Have a rethink.
Hey, Mama. I should have known. I should have known that he was just visiting to come and convince you. Mama, please go and tell him that he will not succeed. Tell him he will not succeed.
Mary, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, Mary. Please, can you accept Danny?
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, Mary. How do you do?
Fine, thank you. I'm wondering, can I please see Desmond?
Yeah, he's not around. Sit down. Mary, I sent for you because there is something I thought we should discuss.
What could that be?
Desmond is my only son, in fact my only child. I said to myself after his mother died that in order to keep the memory of my association with the mother alive, I was going to raise him as my son, my friend, and my brother. And that precisely is what I have done all these years. You see, because he's the only person I have in this world, only the best is good for him. And in my estimation, Mary, you do not represent the best, certainly.
Why are you doing this to me? Why have you chosen to frustrate me? What we had in the past stopped long before Desmond came into the picture.
Yes, you are right there, but you see, it is culturally abominable for a man and his son to date the same woman. I am not trying to frustrate you because I have nothing against you, but I'm only trying to make you appreciate the situation. You are thinking like a woman But I can look into the future and know what it holds in store for us. That's why I thought I should let you know. I would want you to terminate this relationship. I hope you understand me.
And what is there to understand?
Well, as far as you are concerned, there is nothing there to understand. But as far as I know, there is a lot. I would not like my son, Desmond, to continue from where I stopped. So this relationship must go. Listen. I am willing to assist you in any form that is possible. But as I said earlier, this relationship must go. Because it is not in the interest of my family. What we had between us is a sedulously guarded secret between two of us. If in future my son, Desmond, should find out, one, he'll be psychologically shattered, and two, it will jeopardize my relationship with my son. And this I am trying to guard against. And you cannot stop that. I hope I've made myself clear.
But sir, you can't.
Good day, Mary. Good day.
Desmond, I need to talk to you.
Mary, I told you it's over.
I know it's over between us.
Listen, I don't want my dad or my fiancé coming out here. That could mean trouble.
I know it's over between us, Desmond. But I don't want us to part in this manner, okay? I mean, we could still be friends. That would at least fill up the vacuum you've created in my heart already. Desmond.
Come on. Let's go somewhere. Sure you don't want anything?
No. I'm fine. Thank you.
Well, the point is that I'll go straight to the point, okay? The reason I really brought you here is because I really want to get this thing out in the open and get it
There's
over.
no need for that. I already know why we're here.
I just don't feel we're good for each other. Nothing can ever bring us back together. I need you to come to terms with that.
Desmond. I'm hurting inside. I'm really, really hurting. I've been waiting for this moment to tell you the secret that has been in my heart ever since we met. And
What secret?
well, I once dated your father.
I know already.
You do?
Yes, I do.
How?
My father told me shortly before I went abroad.
He did?
Yes, he did. Why do you think I broke off our communication? Why? Why do you think I won't have anything to do with you when I left? I just wanted to leave this country after that. I mean, one minute you're the woman I would defy my father for. I will risk my inheritance for. The woman that was going to be the mother of my children. Then the next minute, my father is telling me he slept with you. How was I going to handle that? I just wanted to leave, put what was left of my life together, and then I don't want to have anything to do with you. Then I met Princess. It's not a question of whether I love her or not. The thing is that I was almost destroyed, at the brink of my life, and she was there for me, and that's all that matters. I don't want anything to do with you. You nearly destroyed me.
You see, Desmond, I deserve any kind of treatment or measure you want to take against me. In fact, I deserve much worse. But you can't deny the passion we shared in the past. Desmond, please, I need you to forgive me at this point. I crave your forgiveness. I'm gonna go down on my knees, please. Please forgive me for what I've done to you. Please forgive me. Hello, Desmond. How are you? Oh, well, I'm doing great. How's your wife? Well, Desmond, I want to specially invite you to my birthday party. It's taking place on the 18th of July, precisely. Yes. I'm inviting you specially. Please. I'll be so glad if you can make it. Yeah. Thank you very much. Because I wanted it to be a two-party thing, you know, just you and I. I wanted you to help me quench the loneliness I feel in my heart. I mean, ever since you walked out of my life, I always feel like
No, listen. Don't sound like that. Today is your day. The most memorable day of your life. Let's celebrate, have fun. We'll talk about the other stuff later.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Alright then. Hey, wait a minute. Your traditions, you know.
Okay.
Let me do this. Pop!
The champagne.
It's not champagne, baby, but it's wine. The champagne is in the car.
Oh, sorry, darling.
But a whole bunch of champagne. And you need to see the present I got you.
Why is it not here?
It's to die for. No, I want to be a surprise. When we go outside, you see it.
Can't wait.
Yes, you can. Trust me. It's something to die for. Maybe they didn't know us with that night. You know, if you don't mind me saying so, there's something about you today.
What's that? Just pop the wine, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my angel. Happy birthday to you. Yes, sir. You know, this two people party thing is actually a great idea.
It's the best idea. Cheers, darling.
No, toast it.
Okay.
To the most perfect being God has ever taken time to craft. After together. Listen, baby, so do we have to eat this cake right now?
Yeah, it's better. Can't you see? By tomorrow, you'll be surprised.
Are you sure, baby?
Especially the mama.
Yeah, where's Mama?
Well, she's gonna wash her journals later.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Hey, what did you have to do there? I trust you.
Nice, isn't it?
What? No.
So much cake here.
Where did you go?
And some pastry shop.
Terrific. Best bit of taste in the world. Terrific. Down they hash it, eh? We're chopping.
Okay.
Some chop.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Okay. Alright, let me pour you some more wine.
Okay.
Yeah. Drink some more. Wash it down. Down the hatch. What's up? You're high already? Look at you. Hey, easy. Dude. Whoa. Somebody's getting high. That's enough for you, young lady. I told you could never hold your liquor. But this cake, you know what? This cake kind of tastes funny.
Desmond.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Desmond.
I feel funny. Oh, God, wait. My stomach. What's wrong?
Desmond.
Yeah. What's wrong?
I couldn't bear the thought of you walking out of my life. I couldn't let you walk out of my life after all the promises we made to each other.
What's wrong? What have you done?
I couldn't. You ruined my life. You ruined my future.
What are you saying? What's wrong?
cake. We just ate.
What's wrong with the cake?
It's poison.
Poison? How could you? How could you?
In less than 5 minutes, both died.
Why did you poison the cake?
Why won't I? Why won't I? Isn't it better we die together? Isn't it better we die together? This one.
I don't know to die.
No. We'll die together. We'll die together. No.
No, we're not going to die. We're going together. We're going together.
Understand it. I never planned it. I never thought it could be. True love would come to me. Now that I found it, I'll never lose it. Nothing compares to the love I found. Questions in my mind, but I'm still waiting. They say I'm wasting time, but I'm still waiting. Your love is all I need. Your love is all I know. Love that touched my heart. I will never